Hi guys, welcome to Techavro. In this video, I'm showing you how to make WIX site not live. So let's go to the WIX dashboard first. In WIX dashboard, you have to click on this drop down menu you can see here, right? And you'll find all of your sites here what you have created. So I have only one site. I'm gonna show you how you can make site not live. So I'm clicking on this, and then it will take me to the dashboard. Now what I'm gonna do is I'll just scroll down and you'll find here settings. Click on settings. Now you'll find here website settings. Go website settings, and then you will find here your site is published, and you can see here unpublished. Click on unpublish. If you click on unpublish, your site will not be published in Wix in Google. So this is how you can make your site not live. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.